party. He's in my political party. And he's now governor of Aceh, and I'm president of Indonesia. This shows that former enemies can come together. And I think this is the lesson of Nelson Mandela.
Presiden Republik Indonesia Prabowo Subianto membagikan pengalaman Indonesia dalam mengatasi konflik internal, khususnya yang terjadi di Aceh dalam forum internasional di Rusia. Kisah ini diceritakan Prabowo saat menjadi pembicara di Forum Ekonomi Internasional Saint Petersburg atau SPIEF 2025 pada Jumat 21 Juni 2025. Dalam pidatonya, Prabowo mengawali dengan menyinggung figur Nelson Mandela yang dikenal karena upayanya merangkul bekas lawannya. Beliau menekankan bahwa pendekatan serupa ia coba terapkan dalam kancah politik dan kebijakan domestik di Indonesia. Kemudian Presiden Prabowo mengulas kembali masa lalu Indonesia yang sempat menghadapi gerakan separatisme di Aceh. Ia menyoroti contoh nyata rekonsiliasi dengan menyebut nama Muzakir Manaf yang dulunya menjabat sebagai Panglima Gerakan Aceh Merdeka. Sebuah hal yang luar biasa, Muzakir Manaf kini telah bergabung dengan partai politik Presiden Prabowo dan bahkan menjabat sebagai Gubernur Aceh. Presiden Prabowo menggarisbawahi bagaimana mantan komandan yang pernah terlibat dalam konflik panjang melawan pemerintah Indonesia selama lebih dari 2 dekade, kini menjadi bagian dari sistem pemerintahan yang ia pimpin.
Mr. President, you were shaking your head when we were exchanging this question. What are your thoughts on bringing adversaries to the table? Does it require, is defeat a prerequisite for dialogue, or we can, bypass this phase and go to dialogue? And there are so many crises in the world that cannot afford a victorious
Well, I have to say here that Nelson Mandela is one of my greatest icons, my greatest hero. I think it's an inspiration. He was put in prison for many years. He was sentenced to death, threatened to be sentenced to death, accused of many things. And his famous statement was that he was willing to give his life for the principle of freedom. But the greatness of Nelson Mandela, when he got out of prison, he worked for reconciliation with his former enemies. So this is the greatness of Nelson Mandela, and this I try also to carry out in my domestic politics. I reconciled with many of my former opponents. For instance, we had a very long rebellion, separatist rebellion in Aceh, very long. I think more than nearly 30 years. But can you imagine that the former commander of the Aceh Liberation Army, fighting against us for 25 years more, now he joined my party. He's in my political party. And he's now governor of Aceh, and I'm president of Indonesia. This shows that former enemies can come together. And I think this is the lesson of Nelson Mandela. I want to say I was a former soldier. And as a former soldier, I really know the value of peace and reconciliation. As a former soldier, I always try, now, even before, I always try to negotiate. Better to talk than to kill each other. This is my position. always talk, always negotiate.
President
Download
Putin.
Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.